Agafar USA is bringing the best Korean skincare experiences to American consumers.
Watch this video to learn how Agafar USA brings private clinic experiences to your daily routine. The modern beauty market presents a binary choice with no escape. You either invest hundreds in aggressive Western acids that oxidize on the shelf and compromise your skin barrier, or you settle for mass-market trends, watered-down serums that prioritize a fleeting sensory glow over actual biological change. When both paths lead to a dead end, the only way forward is a total departure from consumer-grade formulas. Ingredient-literate consumers are no longer chasing reactionary fixes. They are demanding true biostimulatory longevity that works beneath the surface. A new standard is emerging, where clinical results and attainable luxury finally intersect. This shift begins with regenerative biology, compounds engineered to instruct your cells to rebuild from the dermal layer up. It is anchored by the arrival of Salmon-Derived PDRN at a clinical concentration of 10,000 parts per million. This medical-grade potency delivers a regenerative speed that leaves diluted, plant-based alternatives completely outmatched. But cellular repair is only half the battle. The next layer requires absolute chemical stability. Most prestige brightening serums rely on volatile actives that trigger irritation when they touch the skin. By utilizing a sodium ascorbyl phosphate complex, this new protocol neutralizes oxidative stress while keeping the skin barrier entirely intact. This precision-targeted defense allows for treatment to move even deeper into the vascular structures. The deployment of clinical-level menadione targets the source of redness, reinforcing the capillaries that support stressed skin. These isolated medical protocols are now converging into a single unified engine of skin restoration. This scientific precision has finally transitioned from the private clinic into a physical product line ready for global distribution. Agafar is breaking through the gatekeepers of luxury retail to bring these clinic-born formulations directly to the Amazon marketplace. It marks the end of the old industry compromises, offering a tier of attainable luxury that was once inaccessible outside of a medical suite. Strategic treatment bundles are now surfacing that multiply these biological results, offering a clinical value that Western prestige brands simply cannot match. But the exact regimens required to unlock full skin longevity remain a guarded secret. Uncover the professional protocols and explore the full Agafar clinical range on Amazon.
Calm Skin. Quiet Glow by Agafar.